Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friends, welcome to Entry, India's best application and best YouTube channel to crack any of the government exam. I, Deepani Bharadwaj, welcomes you all again, and today we are going to have a discussion on very important thing, that is ACBI's recruitment of 2020. See, it's very important because its application date has been extended. Now you have the chance to serve in the best organization. Now how it is best, what all are its vacancies, we are going to discuss each and everything. So let's start with our topic. Talking about ACBI's recruitment 2020 grade A, the notification has been released. So ACBI, that is Securities and Exchange Board of India, has released the detailed notification of the ACBI recruitment 2020. The notification is for the post of ACBI grade A officer, that is assistant manager. There are total 147 vacancies announced, including the backlogs, and exam pattern is completely changed. Now this is important. Fine. So SEBI grade A notification 2020 says that SEBI grade A 2020 vacancies have been announced for general stream, legal stream, IT, that is information technology, civil engineering and electrical engineering, research team, and official language stream. So these all are the streams in which vacancies have been announced. Now coming on to the important dates, online application and fee payment was started from March 7th, and it was told that you can apply it till July 31st. But as I told you in the starting itself, its date has been extended, and it has been extended till 31st October. Fine. So this means that all date for the examination that were given are now changed into the awaited part. That is, new dates will be released from it, but they haven't released any official notification regarding the new dates. So earlier for the phase 1 online examination, they told us that they will be conducting examination on 4th July, but now its date is awaited. Coming on to the phase 2 online examination, its date is again awaited. That means they will release the notification and we'll let you know when you can apply or when you are going to give the exam. Now coming on to the ACBI grade A vacancies 2020. Talking about the 147 vacancies. As per ACBI recruitment 2020 notification PDF, there are total 147 vacancies announced for the ACBI grade A officers, that is assistant managers. Now the details of the vacancies for various posts announced are here. First one, coming on to the general post. For the general post, there are total of 80 vacancies. For the legal post, there are total 34 vacancies. For IT, that is information technology, there are 22 seats. For civil engineering, it is 1 seat. For electrical engineering, it is 4 seat. For research part, it is 5, and for the official language, it is 1. So in total, we are having 147 seats. Fine. Now coming on to the category wise ACBI grade A vacancies. For the general category, that is unreserved, you are having 32 seats. For OBC candidates, you are having 22. For SC candidates, 12 seats. For ST, 6. And for economically backward section, you are having 8 seats. So in totality, it was 80. For the legal, for the general category, 12 seats. For OBC, again 12. For SC, 6. SC2, EWS2, that is total of 34 seats. In the information technology part, for the general category, you are having 8 seats. Similarly, 8 for OBC, 3 for SC, 3 for ST, and 1 for EWS. So the total number of 22 seats are there. For the civil engineering, only seats for SC candidates are allotted. That means total number of seats are 1. For electrical engineering, there are 2 seats for general category, 1 for OBC, 1 for ST, and in this totality there are 4 seats. For the research part, 3 for general, 1 OBC, 1 ST, that is total 5 seats. And for the official language, it is for general category, that is total seats would be of 1. That is, in this you can see that this total makes your 147. Now coming on to the eligibility criteria part. Who all can apply for it? The candidate must not have exceeded the age of 30 years as on Feb 29, 2020. So you can check your age accordingly on 29th Feb 2020. If you are more than 30 years, you are not eligible for it. So the candidates must have born on or after March 1, 1990. Any candidate with a master's degree in any discipline is eligible to apply for the general post of SEBI Grade A 2020 recruitment notification. Now we can discuss according to this chart, where for the general stream educational qualification that is required is master's degree in any discipline or bachelor's degree in law or bachelor's degree in engineering from a recognized university or CA, CFA, CS or cost accountant. Fine. For the legal, you must have a bachelor's degree in law from a recognized university or an institute. For IT, that is information technology, bachelor's degree in engineering is required, or master's in computer application or bachelor's degree in any discipline with a postgraduate qualification minimum 2 years of duration in computers or IT. For civil engineering, bachelor's degree in civil engineering from a recognized university is asked. For electrical engineering, bachelor's degree in electrical engineering from a recognized university or institute is asked. For research part, master's degree in statistics, economics, commerce, business administration in finance and econometrics from a recognized university or institute is asked. And for the official language, master's degree in Hindi with English as one of the subjects at bachelor's degree level or master's degree in Sanskrit, English, economics, commerce with Hindi as a subject at bachelor's degree level from a recognized university or institute. So these are the educational qualification according to different streams. Fine. Now coming on to the SEBI recruitment selection procedure for grade A officer. For the grade A officer, the selection process is in three different parts. That is, it would be of 3-stage process. That is, the first phase is of the examination where prelims would be taken. Online screening examination consisting of 2 papers of 100 marks each. So these 2 papers would be of 100 marks each, and then there would be a phase 2 examination that would be your mains, and here again paper 1 and paper 2 would be of 100 marks each. And finally there would be an interview, and after the interview your selection would be done. Now coming on to the salaries part, because this is the main motivation because of you all are filling the form, so it is important to know about it. So the pay scale for the officers in grade A, as you can see, it is 28,150, but do not think that it is your total salary. See, we are talking about the basic salary, and it tells that till 4 years you are going to get an increment of 1,550. That is, your total will become this time 34,350, and again increment would be given 7 times of 1,750, and now your salary will go to 46,600, and in this manner your basic pay is going to increase. But let us talk about the in-hand salary. Now coming on to the in-hand salary of 2020, presently the gross emolument including SEBI's contribution towards National Pension Scheme, that is NPS, grade allowance, special allowance, DNS allowance, family allowance, local allowance, etc. at Mumbai at the minimum scale is approx 1,07,000 per month. Fine. Without accommodation. But if they are giving you the accommodation, it would be around 73,000 per month. So you can see that you are having a handsome salary and it is very good post. So please fill up the form, as the date have been extended till the October. So you are having a lot of time in the preparation, because they will release the date. They haven't released date for the first part also. So you know that first phase exam would be conducted, then there would be main. So you are having a lot of time. So please start your preparation. And the best part is that at entry we are helping you out in each and every way we can. So for anything that you want from us, comment section is available for you. So please do comment there so that we can understand what all you require. So whatever is required for you, we will be providing you with that. Fine. So We are also providing a rank booster quiz on the daily basis. Please attempt this rank booster quiz. We daily provide this rank booster quiz live at 10 a.m. where there are 15 questions and it is of 15 minutes. Now, from where you will get this quiz? You can get this quiz from the link that is given in the description. Please follow the link that is given in the description and start giving the test so that you can boost up your rank. Boosting up your rank is very important because we also know you will be get selected, but we want that ball should not just cross the boundary line. You must hit a 6 over there. So I want that everyone must hit a 6 over there, and I am there. Our whole entire team is always there for you. So please do like this video, comment as much as you can, and comment all the doubts, whatever is required. Please do comment and share it as much as possible so that we can keep on giving you the best and get the result best out from you. So thanking you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.